And it's recording like a movie right now.
Hey Julio, how you doing?
I'm alright.
Where you from?
New York City.
Get back with him,
Jay, I'd like to interview you.
About what?
I'm Christy.
How are you?
Black.
Christy Black.
Hi Jordan, where you from?
Where you from?
Make sure you get everybody.
Get your mother.
Hi, where are you from?
I'm from New York.
Where are you from?
I'm from New York.
Who are you?
Hi, Christy.
Who are you?
Sharon.
Where are you from?
Connecticut.
Where are you from, Miss Thing in the Yellow?
New York. New York. New York. You have any problems? Just call.
It's Julio, Mr. Julio.
Yes, ma'am.
You're from New York.
Guys are there like.
And you're from?
He's around.
You're from Cincinnati? You're from Hartsville? Oh, well, we don't know you.
All right, lady.
And I'm Christy.
I can record you and get some FaceTime.
I'm from California.
Of course you.